Hi, boys and girls. Sorry about there being no sound again for the grammar. I think I figured it out now. Okay, so we're going to dive into compound sentences. So make sure you've got your notebook out and we can take notes today. I actually already have the notes done, so I'm going to go switch back from the slide. So if you need extra time, just pause the video so you can write your notes down. Okay, so the first one we want to talk about today is a simple sentence. A simple sentence expresses complete thought. Well, it's simple, so we're going to put it expresses one complete thought. So in here, I'm going to fill in one. And then in your notes today, it says, we need to make sure you have your date up here, okay? And then it says a simple sentence expresses one idea. So an example of that is Marie walked to school. It's just one idea. You've got your subject and what they did. Okay, pause if you need more time to write that out. Otherwise, we are going to continue on. We have a conjunction joins words or groups of words. And, but, sorry, I don't have my pen today. But and or are examples of conjunctions. So, I believe we took those notes in, not yet. Okay. So conjunctions just like add ideas within a sentence. So we use them in compound sentences. So for example, here it says a compound sentence contains two simple sentences joined by a, okay, and this one has to say conjunction. But I don't think I'm going to be able to fit that. Okay, and a comma. Oops. Okay, so notice though that the comma does come first. So I was tired, I is your subject, what you were, comma, but that's your conjunction, I kept walking. So in our notes, we have a compound sentence contains two simple sentences joined by a comma and a conjunction. And don't forget, conjunctions, you need to put this down in your notes, are and, or, and but. So the example I put in here was the phone rang and my dad answered it. So the phone rang is your first simple sentence. We want to add it to the next one, so we use a comma and a conjunction, and my dad answered it. That's how we put two ideas together. You could leave it as a period and then have another sentence, but they're so small of a sentences that when you join them up, it just sounds a little bit better. And that's called a compound sentence because there's two of them conjoining. All right, so then we have a semicolon. Now, you can also put simple sentences together using a semicolon. So we need to put two and reread that. A semicolon can also join two simple sentences that have related ideas. So you can say, Andre likes chicken, which is one idea. Then you would put your semicolon. But when you use the semicolon, you do not need the conjunction. You don't need to say and, but, or. Do not put that in there. You just add the next one, the next simple sentence next to it. So Andre likes chicken. He also likes turkey. Or you could do Andre likes chicken, comma, and he also likes turkey. So you have an option there of how you want to join the two together. So in your notes, I have a semicolon can join two simple sentences with related ideas. So Tim likes cheese, semicolon, he also likes milk. All right, so that's how we join two simple sentences. You can choose. You can either do the compound sentence with the comma and the conjunction. I'm not going to write that out again without my pen. Sorry. You know what I mean. Conjunction. Ooh, go away. Or you can write it with the semicolon, and you don't need the conjunction if you're going to do it that way. All right, boys and girls. So then today in your, let me see if I can find it. For your homework, we have basically up here says the same thing. It says what a simple sentence is, what a compound sentence is, and what a conjunction is. So it says write whether each sentence below is simple or compound, and then circle the conjunction. So please, please, please make sure that you're writing on the line if it's simple or compound, and then circling the conjunction as well. You've got 2 things per question. And then also, you do not have to do the bottom. Okay, sorry again about there being no sound.